Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about a website called Adobe Color. It's color.adobe.com. This is a great website to use if you're trying to come up with a color palette but you don't really know exactly, because there's a lot of pre-made color palettes in here. When you go to the website, you're going to see this. You get a color wheel which you can move around, or you can pick a color rule and it will generate something for you like that. My favorite thing to use on here is actually Explore or Themes. If you go to Explore and say you want a, I don't know, in this case we'll go with pink. So if I want a color palette that's pink, I can go to one and I can, let me pick something a little different because I saved some earlier. So we'll go to this, maybe not this one. We'll go to this one because it has the add library button. This will automatically add this color palette to whatever library you have it set to. You set your theme, your library by clicking this drop down and picking whatever library. I do believe it'll auto generate a colored themes library for you. I think I just saved that already. So if I go to this one just to show you, you can also download them as JPEG and these other things as well, just in case your libraries for some reason isn't working for you. And if you go down here, you can actually get the Pantone colors and different values for different color modes. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump over to Illustrator here, and we're gonna look at this. So this is one that I just downloaded. I did this design earlier using a different color palette that I found. Oops, I just rounded off that rectangle. So if you just click on any of these, it'll automatically change the color for you, which is obviously really cool. What I like is if you decide you don't want to keep them in your libraries, you can right click and then add color to color swatches, or you can add theme to color swatches and things like that. If you don't want these in this library, after a while you can go down here and click delete. I just wanted to make this video because I struggle with finding colors that work well together, and since they removed colored themes, I wanted to talk about Adobe Color. I will put a link to their website in the description, so feel free to check that out. And as always, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!